Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to see system information on macOS. So to do this, you just need to go and click on the Apple icon on the top left of the screen. And after that, choose the first option, which is about this Mac. Click on it. And after that, as you will see here, this is your MacBook Pro. And here you will know the information about your MacBook, the processor, the graphics, the memory, the serial number, and the macOS version number. If you want to know more, you click on more info. And as you can see, it will take you here to know the name of your MacBook, the processor, the graphics, the memory, the serial number, the coverage if it's still available or it's expired, the macOS version also, you can know it here, and also the display and the storage. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget also to like this video and see you in the next one.